Hi there everyone, Pritam this side. In this quick video, we will be talking about how we can create the Windows 11 bootable drive where we do not need TPM or any secure boot. So without ado, let's get started. Okay, so first thing what we need to do is we need to press this Windows button, and now we will be visiting Edge browser. You can open Google Chrome as well. Now we need to type here Rufus and then simply go to the first link. And don't worry guys, I will provide this link in the description of this video as well. Now from here you need to download Rufus. So you can download any one of a Rufus file. Okay. Now after you downloaded it, just open it and run it by going to downloads and then just simply run it. Connect your pen drive and it should be of 16 GB or more. Now from here you need to select your Windows 11 ISO. Let's say you don't have it, so you can even download it from here. So just click here on this right hand corner on this arrow button and select download, and now click on this download button. And in this way guys, you can even download Windows 11 directly from here, but I'm not going to download it. If you want to see the whole download process, then I will provide the whole process video in the description of this one. Now I will go here and will select the ISO. So let's select the ISO, and now in image option, instead of choosing the standard Windows 11 installation, we're going to choose extended Windows 11 installation, no TPM / no secure boot. Keep all the setting as it is and click on start. So in this way guys, we can create a bootable drive where we do not need any TPM or secure boot. So in this way guys, you can even install Windows 11 in old system or PC. If you have newer system, then I would recommend you to go to BIOS setting and enable TPM boot. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.